Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mommy Charms Lifestyle channel. How are we doing today? Are we doing great? I hope so. I hope you are all doing fine, and I hope you are all having a lovely day. So today I will be doing, guess what I will be doing today, guys? I will be doing a little grocery haul. Yes, I went to the supermarket this morning, and I think that I want to do this grocery haul to show you what I bought. So here I am today in front of the camera, gonna show you my little grocery haul. So I hope you all enjoy it. Anyway, guys, for all my new viewers who have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't be afraid to hit that subscription button and turn your post notification bell on, so you will be notified when I post my next video. You don't want to know about Charms Lifestyle? Come on, guys, subscribe to Charms Lifestyle. You can also follow me on Instagram at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidre's Fashion District. So I hope you will follow me on all my platforms, okay? Anyway, let's get in our video now, so sit back and relax. Let's get started. Here I am. Let's go. Just as I have them packed in my caddy, that's the way I will take them out and present them to you, okay? So my first item on the list is you know what this is? It's napkin. It's the napkin for the multi-purpose usage, okay? So this is my first item. The napkin, yes. So my second item, a tray of eggs. Eggs, guys. Eggs. Yes, eggs. And this one have, let me tell you how much is in this one. I don't think this one is of 48. Let me tell you, I'm not even seeing it here, but let me check. I think this is 20. This is 20 eggs is in this. So that's my second item. Aluminum foil. I use this very regular, so I bought this one because the one I have is almost finished. I use this very regular. This is my cereal. My cereal. Yes, I have cereal too. You think cereal is only for the babies? No. Mommy Charm take her cereal too. This is what I have for my breakfast in the morning, guys. This is what I have for my breakfast in the morning with milk. Yeah. I don't do those lovely fatty food anymore because Mommy Charm wanna lose some weight. Okay, Mommy Charm is overweight. So this is but I don't even know what this is. This is the plastic wrapper that you used to, like, you use to wrap your fruits, put over your fruit if you cut your fruit and you want to put in the fridge. you can use this to wrap it. Okay, the plastic. This is what it is. A French that, but I talk French. And this is my frites, my fries. I really don't take this much, but you know, sometimes I just feel like I want to have some fries. And instead of going out there and buy it, I buy it myself and do it myself because I hardly eat out on the road, guys. If I don't have to eat outside, I don't eat outside. I prefer to prepare my own food. Okay, so this is my fries. I think this is the jumbo one too. Okay. And look what I've got here. Crevettes in French. Crevettes. It's the shrimp, guys. The shrimp. Yeah. I bought this. This is not something that I love though. I don't like the taste of it, but sometimes, yes, I do feel for it. And of course, my coffee. My coffee. I'm trying to stop drinking that though, but I don't think I get there yet because I have an addiction for coffee. So it's not gonna be that easy. Tell me what you think, guys. Just let me know what you think, if you think I'm right. And this is minced beef. This one is for the, you remember that meal that Moy cooked for me? Spaghetti bolognese. Yes, this one is for it. And it's 2 sachets. I got these very cheap. I think I paid €5.40 for both of these. Yeah, so I bought them. Even though, yes, I bought them because they can't spoil. And this, not sure how to use this. This is for the insect. The insect. It's a plug-in that runs insect. So I'm not sure if how it works, but I'm gonna try it. And of course, this is my basmati rice. I only buy one of these as I don't need more. I hardly use rice. Yeah. And you see what this is, guys? It's the legs of the chicken. The drumstick. Yes, the drums. Yes, the drumstick. It is not much. And guess this is what? This is bacon. Yeah, I bought 2 of this. This is the other one. And I bought this orange juice because guess what, guys? My blender stopped working, so I have to use this for now. So I bought this. And I bought this. This is fruit punch, multi-fruit juice. So it's the fruit punch, of course. And what do I have left in my bag? Mayonnaise. I love this, so I love to eat this with my vegetable. Mayonnaise. And of course, the famous drink, Total. You know, this is beer, non-alcohol beer. No alcohol is in it. It's very refreshing when cold. And you know who introduced me to this one? Moy, of course. It's all about Moy. And this is another non-alcohol beer. This one softies. It's made from fruits as well. It's from fruits, guys. The beers are from fruits, but it's giving you that beer taste. You know what this is? This is herring, but it is fume herring. That means, I don't even remember that word. It's pickled, yes. Yeah, herring. I used this before. It's giving you the red herring taste, but it does not look like the red herring when you prepared it. It more look like salt mackerel. And of course, this is sausage. Half of sausage. Not sure how I will use this, but I will use it somehow. Maybe me and you will use this and do a recipe together, okay? And oh, I've come to the end of it, guys. It's the end. I am at the end. So this is my little grocery haul. So I'll show you everything that I buy. So guys, this is my little grocery haul. That's my little grocery haul right there. My grocery haul. Yes, guys, this is my little grocery haul right here. So if you like this video, guys, let me know. Let me know with a comment. Let me know with a thumbs up. And let me know with a subscription if you have not yet subscribed. And you can share me out too. Don't be afraid to do that. Why are you afraid? Share me out. Get some of your friends coming over and watch Charms Lifestyle. Okay? So guys, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys.